There were two neighbors, Meeta and Radha. Meeta is a rich lady and Radha is financially unstable because of some circumstances. Every day Radha comes to Meeta's house having some demand about grocery items. Radha is under tremendous obligation of Meeta's favor. Meeta, however, is able to make this out from Radha's face as she knows her for a long time. One day, Meeta tells her son to go to Radha's house and ask for some salt. Her son is surprised as he can see salt in front of him on kitchen platform. He asks his mom why she was telling him to do such a task. Meeta smiles and says, salt is something which anyone would have in their house, and when you ask Radha auntie for it, she would have a satisfaction of giving something back to us, and she would come out of a burden of obligation which she has been carrying for a long time in her mind. Meeta spread positive vibes between her and Radha and unknowingly taught lesson to her son about positivity. Meeta was richer because of her positive attitude. She loves to spread positive vibes and showing her gratitude. Sachin was all alone throughout this lockdown period. He was staying in an apartment near to his college where he was doing his engineering. He got stuck over there because of not having visa to visit his parents who lived abroad. He was frustrated and bored by managing everything on his own. It was the first day of Diwali. His parents sent him some homemade Diwali sweets and namkeens which he liked the most. But because of lockdown, courier got delayed and did not reach him on time. All of a sudden, doorbell rang and Swiggy man was standing outside his door. I didn't order anything, he cried. To his surprise, that order was placed by Ajinkya, one of his friends who knew all about his situation. Looking at his favorite dinner along with sweet, he was so thrilled and happy that the unexpected Swiggy order gave him a feeling that somebody is there for him and remembered him during this Diwali occasion. A small sweet gesture of Ajinkya made Sachin's Diwali so meaningful. Mr. and Mrs. Sawant and Mr. and Mrs. Patil are neighbors. Sawant's family was observing Patil's family for few days. Both Mr. and Mrs. Patil were not in a good mood. Something was wrong with them. I think Mr. Patil must have lost his job. I'm sure, cried Mrs. Sawant. Mr. Sawant also got convinced by her judgment because he came across the news that Mr. Patil was inquiring about the selling price of his car in this COVID situation. News spread in their complex and everyone started pitying them and started giving advice to Mrs. Patil how she can cut down her expenses and save money for future. Mrs. Patil was confused by these talks but she took it everything lightly. One day, one of her friends asked her if there is any news for Mr. Patil's new job. At this point, everything got cleared up in front of Mrs. Patil. She was surprised, shocked, and hurt by this false news which had gotten spread about them in their society. Problem was not about his job. Mrs. Patil's mother was detected with cancer, and that is why they were not in a good mood and were very disturbed. Without anyone speaking to them personally, everyone assumed and started judging their situation. When everyone understood about the right news, they all started discussing that Mr. and Mrs. Patil should have told us about this sad news about their mother. No one had a thought that what they would have done in this situation, whether they would have shared their problems with others. It is very easy to give suggestion to others, but it is always good to put yourself in others' shoes to understand their situation. Judging someone will give you temporary pleasure. When you feel an urge to judge anyone, ask yourself, what is the one kind thing you can think of or do in this situation instead?